We're here for Jimmy's demo, Jimmy Wilson.
Do you know Jimmy? Jimmy was gnarly. Jimmy was Jimmy. Jimmy was off the hook. Off the hook. You know? Jimmy was
I'm sorry, did you say was?
Did you guys see today's Saturday. Today's Sunday. The demo was yesterday.
God damn it.
It happened.
Did you guys see Jimmy was like yeah, Saturday, man. Saturday. Demo was Saturday. Today's Sunday.
Did you say Sunday?
So then Saturday plus a day is Sunday.
It happened already.
It already happened. I think you guys missed a day.
We lost it.
Jimmy was something. He was old school. He was like.
Alright, well, what do we do? I mean, since we're already here, there's not much we can do now, so at least we can probably skip a lot.
You guys know Jimmy?
No. Is it cool if we just...
Jimmy was gnarly, bro. It was awesome, dude.
Do you mind if we at least just set some cones up out there, do a little demo of our own?
You wanna skate the front?